Why did I become emotionless? Why I don't feel any emotion for anyone? Why the person becomes just like a stone? Why he does not like to respond? Why he does not like to love with the others? Why the person does not like to get married? There are the different questions, and the answer is just because that person has given up in his life. Because the person has already given up in his life, it means it's over. And when it's over, no one can change his feeling. I would like to share the story of someone, I would not like to mention that name. He used to be the person so innocent, kind, loyal, and so respectful in a society. But he got treated by the others and rough persons in the life. He used to be very kind with the person who doesn't like to give any respect to that person. He used to respond to all even the tiny matters that used to be considered very useless. He became a very thoughtful person in his life, but after all, he did not get anything in return. Everyone used to treat him like as they have all their rights to use that person as a product, to take the advantage from that person. But no one just cared about that person, about his feeling, about his love. Even he was a failure in his life. He faced some sort of failures in his life. He didn't get his proper and the true love. He did not get the true friendship. Even their personal and the blood relatives also exploited his person. So after all, gaining the something and achieving his personal goal, he became the self-confident. He got the patience to survive in the society. He does not like to respect the others. He treats the others as he gets treated by the other. So यही वो मकाम होता है जब इंसान भूल जाता है कि वो कौन है. हम सोसाइटी में किसी के साथ अच्छे रहकर, अच्छा बिहेव कर कर, इज्जत देकर, मोहब्बत के साथ रहकर भी जब कुछ हासिल नहीं कर पाते, so the person becomes a stone. A person becomes a wall that doesn't respond, but he knows how to defend himself, how to save his boundaries, sentiments. He never remains ready to sacrifice his own value. So here's the story of a person. He was a very poor guy in his life, but a very pure heart. He used to rely on the other. He used to believe on the other. He loved to help the others, and he wanted to live his life freely. But he did not know about the world is so cruel. He did not have any idea about what the world wants from that person. With the passage of the time, he lost his job. He lost his true relation. He lost his true sincerity. And even in the deceiving aspect in his true love, he became a stone, a perfect stone, where he does not have any emotions for the other person. He does not care what the other thinks for himself and about that person. He used to be very shy. He did not used to share his thoughts with the others. He was a shy person. He was afraid to even eat in front of the other person what the other will have the perception about that person. But now he likes to treat everyone in a single manner. And I think this is the end of the humanity. A person becomes a stone because of all the treatment he gains from the society. Everyone uses you, exploits you, take the advantages from you and laughs at your innocence. And when you behave like the other, when you behave like they always behave with you, so they get hurt. So I think the game has over and you don't have any right to criticize the other. The game has over and always treat the person in what manner they treat you. Never be so polite, never be so humble for the person, because if you become humble for the person, he will take you as a granted, and whenever you will be treated as a granted, you will lose your dignity and your self-respect and your ego. And remember the thing, your ego, your self-respect saves your life.